In today's video, we'll discuss how to fix the Maytag washer do error code. First, let's understand what the do code means. This error code indicates a problem with the door lock assembly. The common causes for this error include a faulty door latch system, a system glitch, or an excessive weight load. To address this issue, start by inspecting the door latch system. Disconnect the washer from the power socket and remove the front panel to access the door latch mechanism. Look for any loose connections or damaged wires. Tighten any loose wires and screws on the door latch. If you find any damaged wires or cables, replace them with new ones. Once you've made these adjustments, reassemble the washer and restore power to it. Next, reset the washer's electronics. Unplug the washer from the power supply and let it rest for about 5 minutes. After this period, replug it into the power supply and turn it back on. Another potential cause is an unbalanced load. Excess weight can exert pressure on the door, preventing it from locking properly. Ensure that the weight load does not exceed the maximum recommended per wash cycle. Balance the load by alternating between light and heavy items in each wash cycle. If the machine continues to display the do error code after these steps, it may be time to contact a professional repair service for further guidance. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.